I'm Nina Grayson. I'm a certified probate real estate specialist. I also serve standard residential sales and commercial.
Well, first of all, I have to say that Nina has been the most amazing realtor, and I am so grateful to have found her. I hired Nina because I knew right away that she had the level of expertise and the knowledge and the experience that I needed to be able to sell my property.
I am known for really building the relationships with my clients through education. I came from education, and I really help them understand the market from a strategic perspective, and then I educate them on how they have to see the sale of their home through the buyer's eyes.
So I spoke with a couple of people, but when I spoke with Nina, it felt like she seemed to understand right away what I wanted. She had a very clear sense of where the market was. She was able to educate me on the possibilities of selling my condo just in the first half an hour of our conversation. She really listened to me as a client and tried to get a sense of what it was that I wanted and how she could best work with me.
So for this particular property, the seller really wanted to make sure that the property was going to sell for the highest possible price. That was their main focus. And they knew they needed to make some minor improvements. It really wasn't a huge job, but it did need little detailed work. So that was really what the seller was looking for. And they were prepared to spend the money themselves. And as soon as I mentioned no upfront cost, that was it. They were like, well, let's check it out. Let's see what we can do. The seller's happy with the outcome. I'm very happy with the outcome. It looks really beautiful. The cabinets are stunning. The new appliances are great. I mean, overall, it's just such a beautiful job that they've done. Oh, that's so big. Many of the clients I work with have deferred maintenance in their property. And so the biggest challenge is that they can't do the improvements they don't really have the funds. The other challenge is that if they were to sell it as is, they wouldn't make as much. I think it's day and night almost. With working with a general contractor, the seller is going to be very involved. You don't have a project manager, so you, the seller, become the project manager. We're just going to do the full package. We're the one place to go for everything. Your project manager is your direct point of contact. And then the other benefit to sellers is that they can move through the process easier, because with the contractor, there's often second and third party vendors that the seller would have to deal with directly that are related to the renovation that the contractor's not going to work with. Make it easy. That's the first one, because for the most part it's easy with no upfront costs and with a project manager that's dedicated to the project. Do it well. So they do use quality contractors, very good work, and get it done. They can do it quickly. You know, it's not like it needs to take a long time with a general contractor taking 60 days and having other delays. They can get it done.
It was so much quicker than I would have ever imagined. Literally within a week, we had an offer, and that was thanks to the extensive marketing that Nina did for my condo. And we had such a detailed conversation about what I wanted to do with my place, the kinds of changes and repairs and improvements that I needed to make to my condo to make it sell. We just had an extensive conversation, and she was so knowledgeable and just really helpful and really supportive, even though we had only just met. And it was really, it really solidified my feeling that she was absolutely going to be the person I need to work with.
I cannot recommend enough that this is a direction for you to go in to get your home sold for the highest possible price. I'm happy to help you get your home sold through the pre-sale renovation process.